Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Cash App with Chime, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'll be using this website right here to do this tutorial, simply because Cash App is not available in my region, so I have no other way of showing you guys how to do this. However, it's very well lined out what you have to do within this guide, so I'll be using it and its steps, and it should be fairly easy to follow. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to connect the two accounts. Now, the way that you link your bank accounts between Cash App and Chime is really easy. First thing you need to do, of course, you need to have a verified Cash App account, and you need to have a fully active Chime account as well. And once you have both, go into Cash App, select Add Bank, and then select Chime from the options that appear. From there, you just need to log into your Chime bank account to link both accounts, and once you're done, that's pretty much it. Once you log into Cash App and enter how much you want to send, you can select Pay to make your payment, and because they're linked, the money will be taken out of your Chime account. Now, if you want to use Chime as a debit card or use the Chime debit card, you just need to open the Cash App, select banking, then go into Add Debit Card, and then enter your Chime details. Once you've done that, then you can follow any prompts to complete the connection between the accounts, and then just open the Cash App, select banking, and then add cash to top up your account. Then choose how much you want to send from Chime into your balance on Cash App, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.